Hello everyone, welcome to another Outlook session with FXGiants. Today we're going to be looking at Euro USD, USD JPY, gold and US oil. So let's quickly jump into our charts. So this is Euro USD monthly time frame. And as we can see, Euro USD has been overall bearish in the past few months. Now price has traded down below 1.04494 as predicted a few weeks ago. And currently we have come into a key zone which is around 0.99032, and we are watching to see how price develops from this zone. Let's go to the lower time frame to see how it looks there. So this is Euro USD weekly time frame. We can see that we had a clear pullback and a new break of structure which has come into this zone. But if we look at last week's candle, here we can see that last week closed with a massive rejection upon tapping into this resistance storm support zone right now. So let's look at it on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can see that we've had a good buy pattern form here, bullish pattern rather form here. But what do we want to see this week? We want to see a push up into this previously unmitigated area, possibly to this zone, then a potential sell continuation to the downside. But if for any reason we have a break above this zone, we want to first see a break above this daily high before our bias changes from bearish to bullish. But for now, we remain bearish, but we will see a short-term buy, which could possibly be a retracement before a sell continuation to the downside. Let's move to the 4 hours time frame to see how it has developed. Alright, so on the 4 hours time frame, I would like to see this high broken first of all before I look for buy opportunities. As we can see, price has been rejecting and has been going bullish the past few hours. So we want to see this high taken out. Then upon the retest of this zone, I'll look for buys back into this higher time frame zone marked up here. Then a potential sell continuation from here, except the daily high is taken. Alright, so let's move to USD JPY. So USD JPY overall on the monthly time frame has been bullish. We have a previous high around 2000 that is yet to be mitigated. So there is high possibility that price is going back for that high. Okay, let's see it on the weekly. I've seen information here. Look down to the daily. Alright, so on the daily we can see certain key zones here. Can see this zone here, which is also a key zone which price had previously retested, pushed up, and now we've been experiencing a little retracement, which is clearer on the 4 hours time frame. Alright, this is it on the 4 hours time frame. So we can see that the market structure has been overall bullish here. We've had a push break of structure and we are currently experiencing the retracement. Now we have a key zone marked up here. Price can come into this key zone and then we see a buy continuation from this zone. But overall, as long as this low remains intact, as long as it remains intact, our bias remains bullish on USD JPY until we see a break below this low. So let's go quickly to gold. Alright, gold on the monthly time frame still remains heavily bearish, but it has traded into another key zone here. Just as we can see around 1663.35, just a little bit above that, you can see that price has traded into a key zone. On the monthly time frame, still looking very bearish. Let's move to the weekly time frame to see. Yes, last week closed heavily bearish on gold as well. We are yet to see any bullish signal here on gold. but we'll bear in mind that we are in a key zone and we could experience a retracement from here or even a reversal from this point. But if price paraventure breaks below this zone, price will be heading next for 1555.00 zone. That's going to be our next target. So once we break below this zone here, this is going to be the next target, 1555.000. Alright, remember that last week we said price was going to trade down into 1702 region, which price has clearly traded into now. We want to see some more clarity to know if price is going to go lower or not. Let's move to the daily time frame to see price action clearly. Alright, so having come into a key zone, we may experience a little retracement, possibly to this zone or even higher into this zone before a sell continuation. We may experience something like this before a sell continuation, or price can still decide to push lower without even pulling backwards, will continue downwards. So we're all going to be looking to see how price develops within the week. But overall, our bias remains bearish. We may experience some bullish retracements, but the bias remains bearish until this daily high is taken. This daily high marks with this black trend line here. As long as it remains intact, our bias remains bearish overall on gold. So let's move quickly to let's see the 4 hours time frame. Alright, same as the daily time frame. So we'll move to US oil. US oil as well, the pattern that we've seen here is heavily bearish. Now price has been pushing lower as we predicted in our last video. Now we have this region here 85.02, which I would like to see price trade into on the monthly time frame. Let's move to the weekly to see it clearly. Alright, so on our weekly time frame, we have this key zone here. Price has wicked below it, but has yet to close below that level with a body. So this is a key zone that price is currently reacting from. This week here could be a sweep of liquidity below this previous lows. So let's go to the daily if there is any clarity there. Alright, so on the daily time frame, price is clearly respecting this key zone marked up from the weekly time frame. So what we may see is possibly a retracement into this zone. We'll bear in mind that we have this zone here. We may see a retracement into this zone, then a sell continuation with 85.02 in mind. Price possibly will trade back into that region. But if for any reason we break above this high here, then we should expect higher prices with our first target at 109.31. That's going to be our first target if price breaks above this daily high. But overall, our bias remains bearish for now. We're going to watch how price action develops within the week on US oil as well. So that's going to be it for today. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Also follow us on all our channels. We are on Instagram, we're on Twitter, we are on YouTube, and it's called FXGiants Nigeria. We're going to watch how price develops within the week and send an update. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a good trading week.